Come back to Play's video. We are gonna be continuing the hardcore survival part 2. So yeah, let's continue. It's just loading in. Okay guys, as you can see I'm full health. Okay, now we're full. Let's grab our crafting table. Okay guys, now that we have oh my goodness, let me just move that away. Okay, what else do we need? We have a bed. I think we need to go mining for iron because this iron sword isn't gonna protect me from stuff like that drought that I just ran past. Okay guys, do we have enough wood guys? Do you think we have enough? Let's just chop some trees down. Damn, I'm lagging so hard. Okay guys, there we go. I'm pretty sure 18 logs is enough. Now we just need to find a cave. That's a water cave. I want an actual cave. Okay, come on. You guys bet we should dig straight down because like I know it's breaking the rules now, but like we should probably. Okay, but yeah, let's just run around and see if we maybe find a cave. Yoink, yoink, yoink. Wait a second, I'll get back when I find one. Okay, guys, we still have not found a cave, and it has been like 5 minutes, bro, and like, damn. So I have not found a cave yet, but I'll keep looking. I'm sure we'll eventually stumble on upon one. Uh, Guys, like as I said before, I should invite like my friends to play in like in this to join and try to do hardcore survival with me. And if you guys want me to do the mimic, the mimicker, then just let me know, cause I can do it. It's actually something that would be fun. What? Is that what I think it is? Oh wait. Do I have any bones? Do I have any bones? No, guys. I don't have any bones, and here's a dog, bro. Wait, maybe here's one at this ruined portal. Please have bones. Please have bones. Okay, guys, this ruined portal looks like sick. So let's check it out. Let's check it out. Come on. Please have bones. The only thing I'm caring about right now is bones. I don't care what's in its doing. Bro! Shovel efficiency 3 and breaking fortune, bro. What the hell? Okay, the golden apple's good. This is good. This is good. This is good. And this is good. Wait, do you guys think we should go to the nether? Nah, that's way too risky. Going to the nether is way too risky. So let's see, where do we go next? We don't have any bones, so we can't go back to the dog. But I see some sand off in the distance, so let's just go over there. Wait, I'll find one now. Okay, guys, I still have found nothing. I had to go do something. But I still can't find it. So on my other survival that I was playing, I kept finding crosses, which scared me because I didn't have any like scary mods on at the time, which was like freaky because like, bro, hello, this hoe, oh, okay, we still can't find any fucking caves. should not be sweating, guys. This is stupid. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go this way, let's go this way, this way. Okay. Guys, I found another. Oh wait, this is just the village I was at, guys. Damn it. So I just basically made a circle. That's just fucking great, bro. Just flipping great. Guys, I'm gonna crash out. Wait a minute. Let me put. Okay, guys, I'm like trying to still find a place, but I found here that I'm gonna be sleeping with the night. Wait, did I... No, is this a cave? Is this a cave? It's not. It's a grass. It's a grass. Okay, guys, we're gonna be sleeping here. Oh my days, I'm lagging so hard right now. Like, okay, I'll get back to you guys when I find the cave. Okay, guys, I found the cave. Don't ask what happened yet. Totally didn't. Almost just died to a creeper. But yeah, guys. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I did not realize you were there. Oh wait, this is actually. But I found the cave, guys. I don't have any flippin'. Oh wait, I have 3 coal, which means I could like probably make some torches. Like I could. Okay, now that I have torches, let's continue exploring. Hopefully this is a actual cave. Bro, what do you mean? Okay, guys, I'm just gonna stop mine. I'm gonna stop mine at this point. I'm done. Oh, we ran into copper. We ran into copper. Hopefully there's iron nearby, cause. Okay, wait. Let's place a torch. Okay, let's go. Bro, my pickaxe is gonna be so flippin' broken when I'm done here. Okay, guys, let's place a torch up here. Because I'm busy making like a flippin' mining thing right now. So maybe I'll like end up in a cave. I hear zombies. Which means there has to be a cave nearby, bro. There has to be. This is actually so dangerous. Like I could just fall at any moment and not and die like bro. Sigh. Guys, I hit it. I hit the cave. How am I gonna get out of here, bro? Let's go. Ending. Okay, that's good. Oh shit, another one. End him to end him. Okay, bro, I found a cave. Let's quickly just place some torches. Yes, we found actual cave. Oh my goodness. It is so dark. That is a zombie. That is definitely a zombie. I can't die now. Let's go into you. Hopefully there's no skeletons. I remember dying to skeletons so much, especially in flipping hardcore, bro. Like, in hardcore, they just don't miss their shots. I need to find more coal soon so I can, like, make more torches, because I only have 3 left. Oh, I had a skeleton. I hate it. No. No. I can't die. I can't die. I can't die now, bro. I can't. Just I just can't. Oh wait, I don't even notice this iron here, bro. I was so stressed I didn't even notice the iron. Okay, wait a second. Okay, guys, just continue.
Second nila may niya sa flame nila.
Ooh, more iron, guys. But yeah,
Kita
wait.
na sa ni Pat.
Okay, guys, we're gonna wrap it up here. Bye.